Green track and brown supports are sitting in the employee parking lot right now at Six Flags Great America. The park has dropped 2 teasers so far with word scrambles: Critter and Playpark. And they've been using a hashtag that might be giving the whole thing away. Hashtag Treetop Adventure 27. So let's break down what we know so far and figure out what's coming. Here's where we're at. The old Camp Cartoon Kids area was cleared out earlier this year back in January, February. Most of the rides got removed back in February. Crazy Bus, Yahoo River, they're all gone. But they left Sprocket Rockets standing, which is the Vekoma Jr. roller coaster. The park said they were making way for, quote, future expansion. They also removed the go-karts, if you remember we talked about that a little while ago. We've now got physical track on site, if you haven't seen the news. Green track with brown supports. Based on what we've been able to piece together, enthusiasts on Reddit and YouTube and all that already, it looks like it's going to be a Vekoma Suspended Family Coaster, the Phoenix model, if you remember that crate we talked about in the last video where we talked about Great America's 2027 project. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it above and also down in the description. It's going to be like the same feel that we've been seeing a lot of other parks get. Dollywood, Kentucky Kingdom just got one. It's going to be probably on that level, I would say. The Phoenix model only exists in one other place, and that's in Coney Island right now, so it's probably going to be that layout. The pieces on site right now appear to be for lift hill or station area-ish, so it's very early, but we've got track on site now. Height requirement, when we talked about it, was 4 families and 4 kids, like the 42 inches, 48 inches. So it's aimed at families with younger kids. It's a real step up from a kiddie coaster, but it's not huge to where it's intimidating for smaller kids. Before we even dive into the word scrambles, let's talk about the hashtag that the park has been putting on all the teasers and all the updates for 2027. Hashtag Treetop Adventure 27. That is not subtle. Treetop Adventure, we can already attribute that to the green track, which would be your forest, your trees. Brown supports are your trunks or your branches. And the park is tagging every teaser and every update with that Treetop Adventure phrase. I don't think that's just a hashtag. I think that's either the working name or the creative direction that they're going for the entire area. They've also been using the tagline where nature roams free alongside it. So we're getting kind of a very clear picture here. Forest, nature, wildlife, and a coaster that kind of weaves through the forest, or at least simulates that feeling. The hashtag alone kind of confirms we're moving from cartoon IP characters to an immersive nature-based themed land, which is great, I think. The first word scramble we got, unscramble to critter. A lot of people were unscrambling that pretty quickly, and it paired with the hashtag Treetop Adventure 27. It all clicks. You're in a forest. What lives in the forest? Critters, I guess. Woodland animals, raccoons, squirrels, birds, foxes. All of that type of critters. I think that's going to be your character set for just the area in general. It's a pretty smart move for the park, moving away from their licensed IP, Cartoon Network, IP, Looney Tunes. This is going to be more timeless, in my opinion. Forest animals, they're never going to go out of style. What does the fox say? They don't require licensing fees either, which I think is another big point for this new chain when they're trying to save money. And it'll give a really cohesive aesthetic. Trees, critters, natural colors, earthy tones, stuff like that. The coaster itself, the Phoenix, SFC Phoenix, could easily be themed around a critter following through the forest canopy. Or maybe the ride is the critter. Either way, the creative brief is coming into focus, I think. The second scramble we just got today when I'm recording this video, Saturday the 18th of July, unscrambles to playpark is what I'm seeing. This one's a little bit more straightforward, but it could also be really confusing. I think this is telling us that it's going to be a kids area, a play zone, a family play zone in my thinking. But combined with the hashtag and critter, I think we're getting a clearer, sharper picture now. You're looking at like a family-themed, forest-themed family play area. Treetop Adventure could either be the coaster's name or the area's name, the land's name. Either way, the formula is looking to be forest, critters, and play park, and the Suspended Family Coaster. Six Flags has been repositioning kids areas across the entire chain, but Great America appears to be getting a more ambitious version, a more themed, heavily themed driven area, which is great. Now, here's something I should mention, and I think we need to pay attention to. Sprocket Rockets appeared in this latest teaser, the POV of it, at least up the tire drive lift hill. And let's put this together here real quick. They bulldozed the rest of Camp Cartoon, but left Sprocket Rockets. I don't think that's just so they could keep a kids coaster. I think that the fact that they spared it and now they're featuring it in a teaser is telling us that Sprocket Rockets is staying, but I think it's going to get a new identity. The current theme, it doesn't fit the Treetop Adventure theme that they're teasing. So I'm thinking this is going to get a complete retheme, a complete overhaul, a new paint job, new queue, new theme, new something like Critter Cruiser or Forest Flyer. It could be something like that. Something that slots into this new aesthetic that they're going for in the teasers. I mean, it's a perfectly fine coaster. It's a Vekoma Junior coaster. There's no need to tear it down. Just weave it into this new themed area. So let's zoom out now. Currently, we're celebrating 50 years of Six Flags Great America this year, 2026. American Eagle is racing again. We've got that new documentary. If you haven't seen it, the drone shows with the fireworks. And now they're starting to lay out for a brand new themed area and roller coaster opening for 2027. This is a really significant investment cycle that we're starting to see here. The old Camp Cartoon area, as I kind of mentioned in the last video, it was kind of tired and sterile looking, or stale, not sterile, stale. It was just kind of a collection of flat rides with really generic cartoon IPs thrown on them. This forest adventure theme that they're teasing with the new coaster, I think is going to be a real immersive experience. And it fills a crucial gap. Kids too big for the baby rides that we see at the back of the park, but they're not ready for like Raging Bull or Viper, stuff like that. That would be this area. Let's look at, Dragon Flyer or Flying Fox. Dragon Flyer at Dollywood or Flying Fox at Kentucky Kingdom. It's that same model, the Suspended Family Coaster. Flying Fox is themed to a fox, a guy named Fox flying. So that's not kind of the same theme, but Dragon Flyer at Dollywood has that more woodland creature theme. It was extremely well received, and we can see that exact same blueprint that Great America is probably going to follow. The Vekoma Suspended Family Coaster is smooth, and it's thrilling enough to feel legit for coaster enthusiasts like myself, to not be embarrassing to just take it as a credit. But it's also at a height requirement where like a 5 or 6 year old can ride it, and it's the perfect centerpiece. A couple more predictions from me. These are all, everything is just speculation. Obviously, nothing's been confirmed except for the teasers that we've seen. Oh, turn that off here. So feel free to let me know your thoughts down in the comments on this. I think the coaster gets named something directly tied to this hashtag that they're using, the Treetop Adventure. Maybe that is the name for all we know. The tagline, "Where nature roams free," paired with Critter, suggests that the area will have multiple animal characters, not just one single mascot. And I expect Sprocket Rockets Retheme announcement to drop also around the time that they announce this whole new area, plus the coaster announcement. Probably before the end of the season is my guess. They wouldn't tease it this early if they weren't saving it for opening day of next year. As far as the timeline, track is on site already. I'm going to say vertical construction probably starts in the next couple months. A spring 2027 opening feels very realistic at this point. I know it's a very generic, wide timeline that I'm giving, but I think that's kind of where we're at. So there it is. Hashtag Treetop Adventure 2027. Green track, brown supports, Critter, and Play Park. Sprocket Rockets potentially getting a retheme, all pointing towards a forest adventure retheme with a Vekoma Suspended Family Coaster as the new star attraction. What do you guys think of the Treetop Adventure name as a potential name for the roller coaster? Are you into this whole forest critter direction that they're going, or were you hoping for something else? What do you think the new name for Sprocket Rockets should be? I want to know all of your thoughts down in the comments on this below. I'm going to try to keep following this as closely as I can. I'm not entirely close to the park, but when I get up there, I always try to do updates. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, please consider subscribing, liking the video. Creeping up here on 1,000 subscribers mark, and it would mean a ton if we could get there. So thank you so much for all the support thus far. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.